Let's take a look at how to control the heat and AC on your new camper. You'll notice here that you have a wall thermostat. It's pretty similar to the wall thermostat that you have in a residential home, and it's actually very easy to use. The button on the bottom will turn the touchpad on. So if you notice, it says off, and it shows a temperature of 67 degrees. This is registering the temperature inside the camper right now. If you cycle through the mode button, you can turn the fan on. You can set the fan speeds to high or low. You can turn the cooling system on. You can set that fan speed as well to low, high, or even to auto. And last, you'll have the option to turn the heat on. Since it's so cold outside, we'll start with the heat. By selecting the up arrow, it will change the desired temperature. So right now we have it set to 74 degrees and set to heat, and you should be able to hear the furnace running. Once the desired temperature is met, the thermostat will automatically shut down, very similar to your house. And when the temperature decreases in the camper, then the thermostat will automatically call for the heat again to reach the desired temperature that you are requesting. Secondly, if you're looking for air conditioning when the warm weather rolls in, you would cycle back through the mode function until you see cool. We recommend that you leave it in the auto position for the fan and in the high speed for the fan. So this will be set to cool automatically with high speed for fan. And then same as you did for the furnace, you would push the up or down arrows to look for the desired temperature you're hoping to achieve inside the cabin. Some air conditioning systems will be ducted, some will be non-ducted, some will have wall controls like this one does, and some air conditioners will have ceiling controls where the temperature is set on the ceiling itself and the air conditioner blows right down from the unit. Let's take a look at one of those back here in the bedroom. Now let's take a look at how a non-ducted AC unit will work. This particular AC unit is non-ducted, which means when we turn it on, it's going to dump all of the air conditioning straight into the room rather than through ducts in the ceiling. It's very simple controls. If you notice here, it's set to off currently, and if you spin the knob, you can turn the fan on, and it's labeled very nicely for you. You can turn the fan to high. You can set the AC on for low cool, and you can even set it to high cool. Your thermostat control is here, and it's labeled with a blue and red indicator. Blue obviously for cool, and red for heat. So as you turn the knob, you're adjusting the temperature that you're calling for by going all the way blue for extremely cold and towards the red for not so cold. Most of our customers in this Texas heat will have it set to as cold as possible.